So this is a video describing how to associate contacts with agents. So the first thing we need to do is actually load an agent. So I'm basically going to quickly go into agents and edit on the side and do a search. And you can see I've got two agents. So I'm going to load my second agent here, test agent. And it shows you at the top just all the actual roles for that agent, the default roles, and then it shows you the agent details, their billing details, associated file attachments. There's none. Some notes. So this is an example note that this agent has, and then contacts. You can see here there's no contacts. So if you know that this contact is already associated with another agent, so you can say, oh yeah, this agent is a sub-agent of a bigger agent, or this contact is the contact for different agents in different countries, and you've got an agent in for each one of those countries. You can then just use the search down the bottom, and you can say, okay, well, let's have a look and find all the existing contacts, and we're going to associate that contact with this agent as well. So here you can see 3 existing contacts came up. So I'm just going to say, let's associate this contact also to this particular agent. And now when you have a look at agent contacts, this person is in as an agent contact. So the only thing you might then need to do is say, okay, well, for this particular agent, this person is sales. And then you can assign that person a role. So the second thing I'm going to show you is if the person doesn't exist in the system. So we can have a look here. We've got our summary screen, our notes, our agent contacts. So this person doesn't exist. So we're going to add a new one. So in this case, we're going to add Mr. John Picard. So like usually when we're adding contacts, there's a few fields that are required. So first name, last name, and date of birth are definitely required, and they have to be set to active. So that's the minimum fields. So now we can say save contact. And as soon as we do that, this person is automatically associated with that particular agent. We can say for this role, this person's in finance. And then just to make sure that we get this person's contact details, we can edit their address. We just add in their residential normal address. So just do this one. And then we can just put in, let's say we want to know their email, info@testing.com, and then we can just save their contact details, and it's asking me that I need to have a street name in there as well. Nope, it said we didn't have one, but we can get away with it. We'll put one in there anyway. So I've put a street name in, and now we're just saving that person's details. You can see here, saved street name, that. So now when we go back to edit details, you can actually see that this person has now got 2 agents, 2 contacts associated to this particular agent. So you can track all your contacts for all your agents in one central place. If you then want to unassociate a contact, an agent, you can literally just click this button here, and that will then unassociate that particular contact with the agent. The important thing to note here is if that was the last agent that contact was associated to, and you got rid of them, it would then set their record from active to archived. So I'm pretty sure that other existing contact was loaded on another agent. So in this case, they should be fine. They should still be set to active. Okay, that concludes this video. I hope it helps.